Hi friends, I'm President Khonkaen. Now you can see that bird lovers club at Khonkaen, the city in the northeastern Thailand. Bird lovers are gathering around. You see, lovely. I really love these birds. They are all the African birds. I have no ideas why we don't have any Thai birds here. Maybe because African birds are clever, maybe. I don't know. If any of you have some ideas about this, share with us. Okay. I just want to show you parts of our life. Aliens, but lovely. And people enjoy, people relax with them. See? Okay, at least you've got some ideas about what life in Khonkaen is like. Thank you for watching. See you again.